Alright guys, I am through and through a truck mount guy. There's my great cranberry carpet cleaning dude. We wear purple shirts. I don't know why we put the blue shirt on this guy. Anyway, let's go look at the VLM setup here. So I started getting into the VLM probably about mid-year, and it was really out of necessity, but when I get into it, man, I get into it. So this was my toy hauler for my bikes and four-wheelers, but now it's my VLM, can do whatever I need to do trailer. Just ran the Vibe today. Made another video for this handle. I hate the Vibe lid, so I put a cabinet handle on it. Works way better. Get on there so you can see it. Got my tile spinner, and I have the portable in case I need it. And we know it's a 500 psi pump on there, but that's not going to clean tile and grout. So we got this dude, and I've got the floorwash 5000, which is awesome. Got all my chemicals. Let's see if I can bring this out. There we go, fisheye. This hose reel right here is air hose, but it's set up for water. Quick disconnects everywhere. And out there, hoses for the portable. It's 50 feet, and yes, it will work. My pump sprayer, that's what I was using for VLM with a buffer before I got the Vibe. Put this cabinet in here and set it up to hold all my pads. It's 18 inches deep. These are 21s up here. They didn't have any 19s, which would have fit a little better, but I'm gonna have to make something else for those or get a bigger cabinet. Trash can, another pump sprayer, some mop heads. It got mop sticks, poles, whatever. I just got these in too, guys. These are freaking awesome. Made by Kuva. Check them out. That one's a 4-holder. I got another one over here. It's a 3-holder. And got some more stuff on the wall over here. Got my Hydroforce, this old toolbox, bolted up. My drill, I use that a lot too. Got my squeegee. Also diamond hone and polish marble floors, so that comes in real handy. A couple buckets, got a clean bucket, dirty bucket, and then a catch-all bucket. And I got my squeegee wand, just a whole rat nasty 4-jet. I use this one mainly for cleaning my equipment or running the foam gun. And this one, I've got a hookup. Where's it at? This hose right here. This is the hose that hooks. Got the quick disconnect, hooks to this down here, and the other end hooks to the water spigot. So I just hook this up to my water spigot, and I hook this gun up right here typically, and I can just clean all my equipment down with just the water hose pressure. Rubber gloves, of course. Oh, and down here I've got my foot covers. Sorry this is so long, but I just want to show you. Oh, and I got these awesome new lights. I put those in today.